Welcome back to another InvisiLights install recap. I've got my breakfast of champions and I'm ready to roll. As always, the first steps are to double check the electrical outlet and the Wi-Fi signal strength. Josiah placed this box next to the customer's other utility boxes to keep everything looking nice and tidy. We always put a bulb on every peak of the home, so that's usually some of the first pieces of track we put up. The customer just wanted the front side of the home done, but as always, we put up the system in a way where it's easy for us to come back and install more lights when the customer is ready to add more. The tan wire loom we used did a good job blending in with the home, and we used this lip on the bricks to run our longer extension to the lower level. The downspout was perfect for hiding the wires going up to the second level. And I'd say this home turned out looking really great. Here's the view at night. If you'd like to learn more about InvisiLights, or if you're interested in becoming one of our dealers, visit lightsatwholesale.com.